So what's up, people? So today I'll be showing you guys how you guys can basically under $10 get a hydro, and what I mean with a hydro is basically it's just an e-brake that doesn't lock up. And a super cheap way to do this, it's not a hydro obviously, but it's kind of, it's by getting one of these so-called drift buttons, and these allow you to basically they allow you to yank the e-brake as many times as you want without them locking on you. And if you want to use it as a regular e-brake, you can just lift the button. Now if you don't like your chrome BRZ button, you can also get this in different colors and just change it and leave the spring inside, and it'll work as a regular e-brake. But the point of this is a drift button, so it's usually just a drift. But yeah, that's what we're going to install today. It's a very small install. It shouldn't take that long. So yeah, let's get to it.
That's cake.
So the next step is to basically get the button out. Now there's two ways you can do this. The first one is by just heating up the whole e-brake and just removing this whole part, and that's a lot easier. It takes a little bit more time. I don't want to do that because this is a stick. It has a glue inside, and I don't know if it's gonna stick as well after. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna try and put something around this to protect it, and then just twist it around until I can get it out by using my hands, basically. So now that we're able to take it off by hand, yeah, it didn't take that long. Shit. And it fits it fits exactly as it should be. It fits perfectly fine. Wow, that's a lot looser than I thought, but okay. So as you guys can see, once it's fully done, don't screw it all the way in. That's a problem I had. So I'm guessing it's supposed to be a little loose, and that's how it works. But yeah, guys, that's basically it to it. So whenever we're drifting, we just, you know, just leave it there. And then whenever you're gonna park, there you go. Regular e-brake, hydro. So yeah, guys, that's basically it to it. It was pretty simple. I mean, I messed up. I watched like 1 or 2 videos. That's why I messed up, and basically it wouldn't work as it should. Just so you guys know, don't screw it all the way in. And yeah, it should work about fine. Yeah, that's it to it. Pretty simple. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video, and until then.